Carina Law, Harrow View, Route 16. Brief, 8 out of 10. Conceive, 7 out of 15. Test, 30 out of 40. Judge, 8 out of 15. Instruct, 10 out of 20. Total, (63 out of 100). Feedback. The report covered commercial space in the school. The overview and design objectives were reasonable. There was a good optioneering table and attractive diagrams. The standards used were acceptable. The description of materials was all right, but no discussion on reasons for choices. Some explanation of the absolute and relative areas of the functional spaces were absent. And it was not clear whether the superimposed loadings might be affected by any changes in the occupancy. Wind load parameters and analysis might be considered excessive for a building of this type. There was no discussion of the foundation type and allowable differential settlements, foundation loads and deflections. Nor was there an indication of how the dead loads were derived. A sketch of a section through the roof and floors showing fixings and waterproofing details would have been helpful. Why were circular hollow sections chosen particularly? There was no discussion on durability in paint systems and CDM requirements. Why was a sliding bearing chosen? A slight arch in the form of the truss would have allowed flexibility in the trusses and avoided maintenance issues for the sliding bearings. Where are the reasons for the precast concrete frame? Is there a premium on construction time? Why not a steel frame and composite floors? How were as far as the basis of loading is concerned, how were the loads derived? To reduce beam deflections, why not deeper beams? Serviceability, durability and fire resistance were okay. As far as the school design was concerned, it's not really adequate to copy an existing design unless further discussion on the merits and demerits was provided. As it is, the school drawing and the information provided looks to have been copied straight from published material. There was no erection procedure included, no costings or cost summary.